Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this record, on this very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. Okay, with that said, I will continue reading the civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. And I must get the civil justice without any delay. I must get the civil justice immediately now, according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. So for I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is the Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes, USA FCC telecommunications created $1 trillion robocall poverty mandate worldwide, and it is deadliest crime of reckless negligence USA FCC telecommunications to create enforce poverty for mankind worldwide is 193 in 193 nations, and failed in God of USA job is another $1 trillion crime of federal communications commissions, and it comes under the domestic violence, breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, and false imprisonment and types, and trespass to the land and types, and trespass to the chattels and types. So I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign off, prostitute at fault found guilty, USA FCC telecommunications created deadliest robocall poverty mandate, and with fatal negligence failed to educate, USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I the Priya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and Republican government of GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh on October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to the Priya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly, and enforced finance debt of $10,000 plus dollars since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 2021, to the Priya Prose, and enforced finance disability to the Priya Prose abruptly. It is crime for Republica. Prostitute at fault found guilty, USA FCC telecommunications created, that is the Federal Communications Commission's telecommunications created deadliest robocall poverty mandate is proved. And when ruling USA, they never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to the Priya Prose. So civil justices, the Priya Prose want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus dollars and sign off tax-free $5,000, and USA Republica prostitute USA FCC Telecommunications Agency of USA created deadliest robocall poverty mandate and must sign off tax-free $500,000 billion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types of damages done by selfish, cunning, Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide needful accordingly to be in the same page. So thank you all for your time. My fellow mankind, take care. Bye for now. Have a good day.